Hello, Sander. Great
Hi.
to have you, and thank you for your talk. Could you just tell us what were the main messages of your presentation?
I think really the main messages of the presentation were that people in general, the analytical chemists, consider mineral oils as being something easy to characterize or to analyze, whereas in reality it's absolutely not. Mineral oils, they're very complex mixtures, and there's not such a thing as one mineral oil. Basically what we're looking at are really different grades which will vary depending on supplier, geological origin, technological function, and so on. So it's really extremely complex analysis. And what I basically showed in the end is that if you ask a number of labs, in my case 10 labs including ourselves, if you ask them to perform a mineral oil analysis on one single sample, which basically is or is not contaminated, in principle we don't know, you will get 10 different responses. And that's really the main message, I would say, which honestly is somehow a bit threatening for me, I would say, understanding that today we're doing the survey at European level of mineral oils in food. And what I'm basically showing is that we have to think about whether the quality of the data that will be part of this survey and the future exposure estimates are really accurate.
Do you have any solutions in your mind with regards to this problem
Yeah.
moving forward?
Yeah. I think one of the solutions is somehow to go back to the drawing boards, because in principle all the laboratories that participated followed a completely different strategy. One key element that should be done first is this JRC guideline for which everybody is waiting. So it's basically the analytical guideline which tells us how we should analyze mineral oils. Today nobody really, well, I'm not going to say nobody knows. I think there's a few people who know quite well. It's just about the quality of the results today which are not very satisfying. But I think everybody's waiting for these guidelines. Once those are out there, I think it's really important that we redo these kind of experiments that we have done to see basically if the quality, if everybody's using the same kind of approach, the same kind of sample preparation and so on, if the results basically become more reliable.
All right. Thank you very much, and thank you again for your contribution.
Okay, thank you.